Hi guys, welcome back to our weekly Tuesday premiere. So today we'll be making another delicious recipe. Sit back, watch and enjoy. So as you can see, we had some potato, peas and mint. So I'm just going to go straight into today's video by slicing the potatoes. After slicing the potatoes, we'll be peeling the potatoes and then we'll be cutting them in cubes. At this point, I just want to ask you guys, how was your week and how you been doing? I hope you had a wonderful week and thank you for always coming to my weekly Tuesday premieres. So after cutting the potato, we're going to be slicing one onion. With a spatula in hand, I'm ready to embrace the joy of cooking. I hope you guys will get a chance to try this recipe out. It is really delicious. So in a pan, we're going to be adding 6 cubes of butter and we're going to make sure that butter is melted. After which we had the onions and we sauteed the onion for about 2 to 3 minutes until caramelized, just like what you see here. Then we go ahead and add our potatoes. After adding our potatoes, we had a tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste. And then we saute it together to make sure all the flavor combine. Then we steam the potato, then we go ahead and add the mint. And then we combine and then we add the peas. Now we're going to cover and cook until the potatoes and peas are tender. So there was no need for me to add any liquid to it. Then we're going to transfer to a food blender and then we're going to blend very well with coconut milk. After blending, we pour back the blended mixture back into the pot. And then you're going to go ahead and add your favorite covered spices. Here I'm using paprika, chili powder, garlic powder, salt, and black pepper. Then we combine those seasonings very well into the mixture. And then we cover and allow to cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. I hope you'll share this recipe with your family and friends because it was really delicious and I'm sure they will enjoy it. Now we're going to be serving this delicious pot of pea goodness and enjoy. Look how rich and creamy this delicious potato mint pea soup is looking, and we're going to be having this with a slice of garlic bread. This was so yummy, one I'm sure the entire family will enjoy. And as I always said, my recipe is just as much as yours, and feel free to give any of our recipe a try. And when you do try it, please come back and let me know how yours turned out in the comment section below. Now let's enjoy this yummy goodness together. Yum, yum. This was so delicious. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also check out my website at www.imcookingandmore.com. Until I come again, this is I'm Cooking and More saying God bless you and thank you for watching, and see you again next Tuesday with another delicious recipe. Bye bye for now. God bless.